So how do I start it? Oh.
Oh, sweet!
Nice to get on. I know you've got some wood chips in here. There's all the wood chips.
Stuff to do here. This is just the
But it's,
surface.
yeah, but it's good though. Every little bit helps. It's all stuck in between, you know? They get all stuck in between. You can't get them out. What are you trying to get out, Fran? Fran, what are you trying to get out, honey? Oh, yeah, be easy, because it'll break.
No, it won't break him.
Ridiculous!
Grandma, it won't break.
This is ridiculous.
It's too high.
You can't get in it?
I'm holding.
Does it look like I can?
There you go. I'm holding.
I want to see your tip over.
No, get your other foot. All right, easy, easy.
There we go.
All right.
God almighty, we are free at last!
Just stay in the middle. I'm going to go one side, and you'll fall right in, and then you'll really be a mess. Okay. Let me help you push that in.